Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and my name is Giridhar. In this session, let us discuss about the string and string slicing and the string methods. And string is a sequence of characters and string can be defined in the single quotes or double quotes or even three triple quotes. Anything is fine guys, we don't have any difference. String allows slicing to extract the part of the string, to extract something from the string. And in Python 3, characters use UTF-8 encoding. So which I'll be discussing in this session what exactly UTF-8 is, but nothing much to bother as of now. And as I told you, string is defined in the single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. And string allows slicing. So I mean to say we can access something from the string. We can access some part of the string. It is done with the indexing, and the indexing starts from the zero. So just like in other languages, the indexing starts from the indexing zero, right? So and other things like string operators. So we can concatenate the string with the help of plus. We can combine two strings, or else we can replicate the string multiple times with the star and colon to extract the to get a slice of the string. So and next we are going to discuss about the string methods. Python string has number of methods like string dot upper to convert the string to uppercase, lowercase, and we can split the string. We can convert list to the string. So we can display the string exactly in the center. We can validate the string whether the string is in uppercase or lowercase or whether the string contains some numbers, numerics. We can validate. We can remove the white spaces in the string. We can get the length of the string. We can do a lot of different operations which I'll be discussing in the lab. So as of now, like these are the different operations that we are going to discuss, like about the string slicing, about the methods, and how to define the string in detail. And now guys, open your spider window. So open your spider. So and before writing the program, so just ensure that you save the program. So I'm going to save it. So string demo. Name of my program is string demo.py. All the Python programs ends with .py. Right. So name equal to name equal to Python. As I told you guys, string can be defined either in the single quotes or double quotes or even triple quotes. Anything is fine. So define the string and let us print the individual characters. So let us print it first. Print name executed. Yes, the name Python is displayed, and you want to make the output a little bit meaningful. So making some sentence like language is, so and comma is separated, and then name contains Python. So language is Python, and you want to access individual characters. So print name of zero. So and in Python guys, so the indexing starts from zero. Not only in Python guys, most of the languages, the indexing it starts from zero. So name of zero contains P. So name of one contains Y. Name of two contains T. Right. So name of zero. So and say print name of one. So it will display Y. Alright guys. Now let us discuss about the slicing. So to extract to the part of the string. So either single character or the multiple characters. So before this, let me just write the indexing here. So if you have the string Python, this Python, the indexing starts from 0. So the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right in this direction, or else even we can access with the negative values. In order to access a string, we can either use the post numbers or else even we can use the negative values like this -2, so -3, -4, so -5, and -6. So all right, guys, and the accessing happens from the beginning till the end in this direction. So in this direction. All right. So, and let us discuss about the syntax of the string. So, while accessing the string slicing, the syntax of the string would look like string start, stop, and step value. So all at once. And as we already know, so just write name of 0. So we know that it will display P. And now I want to display first three characters. How do you do that? So print name of say 0 colon 3. So what does it mean? Index at the, it means to say like index, the value at the index 0. So I have P. So and the value at the index 1. So it is Y. So and T, it's excluding 3. If read 0 colon 3, it means excluding third index. If read 0 colon 5, excluding fifth index. I hope it is clear, guys, what I'm saying, right? So 0 colon 3, so it means to say from index 0, so up to index 2, excluding index 3, it means to say PYT. All right. So and say if I write something like name of 3 colon 5, so what does it mean? So from the indexing 3, so what is that the index 3? I have H, and index 4 contains O, and excluding index 5. So it is H4, and it is H4. And one more example, guys, name of say I have 2 colon 3. So what does it mean? So starting from the index 2, so right up to index 2 only. Why? Because like it is the stop value is 3, right? It is excluding. So what does it mean? It says that only T is at the index 2. So if I write simply in name something like this, or just like this, anything is same, guys. So name of one single colon, or say so name of double colon, anything is fine. So here I'm explicitly saying that, so from the indexing 0 till the end. So from the indexing 0 till the end. Why? Because this is index of the string, right? From the stop column step. I'm just giving 2 columns. So which I mean to say that from the beginning till the end include everything. So it will display the complete string. So we don't prefer this in general, guys, but like we have some concept called as so copy, where I'll be using this. But as of now, it is same thing, right? I can display all these 3 lines. So we'll talk about the same thing. So and next, guys, for example, the same thing I can access in the reverse. Like I want to get the string using negative values. Even that we can do. Say like name of, for example, say if you want to display Y, so I can either use the index 3, or else even I can use -3 also. So anything is fine. So either the first indexing or the negative indexing. If you want to display O, I can either use the negative indexing, negative value -2, or the same thing, or else I can even use 4 name of. So I can write name of 4, or else the same thing I can write name of -2. So it will display always. Anything is fine. Either the post indexing, so or else even negative indexing, it's also fine. Now, for example, say so I want to display from here. I want to display last 3 characters. If on display H4n, I can write so print name of 3 colon till the end, or let us say like how to use that, do that in the with the negative index. So I can write like this, print name of so 3 colon. So what does it mean? So from 3 till the end. The same thing I can write with the negative indexing in this manner also. So 3 is the index -3, right? I can just write like this column. So remember, guys, this is like we're forwarding, right, in the forward direction. So always the accessing by default happens in the forward direction only. So what is that? The -3. So it is H. So and next it is -2 -1. So I'm just, since I'm not giving anything, so it will display from -3 till the end. So here, remember, guys, we're not reversing here. I'm just doing the displaying the string in the forward direction. I hope this is clear for you guys. So and now say for example, I want to reverse the string. I want to reverse the string, and before that, let's take few examples. I want to display every alternate character. So for example, say I want to display P. So and let me just draw it. Now say I want to display P. So and then T. So and then every alternate character. Right. And here is I'm going to use the step value. So print name of, say the indexing starts from 0. So till the end in the step value is mine. I'm just following the syntax. I'm just following the syntax. Start, stop, and step value. So what does it mean? So from the index 0, since the stop I didn't give anything, it is till the end in the step value. Let me make it as it's my type. So let me make it as 2. So what does it mean? So from the index P and display every second character, every alternate character. Let us check the output. So as I told you guys, this is the output P, T, and then O. So first is P, and what is step value? It is 2. Every second character. So every second character of P is the next character is T. And the next second character of T is O. Right. And similar to this, let us take, so print name of, let us take now display every third character like this. We displace ph. Let me draw it once again. I will rest. If I have Python, so I can access from the beginning 0 1 to with the help of the positive indexes, or the same thing with the negative indexes. So -3, -4, -5, and -6. So and by default, the accessing happens in the forward direction. All at this. I hope it is clear, right? So either you know this example, if you check, so it will display like this P and H. So what is there in the index 0? Index 0, we have P, all right, and then the every third character, the next third character of P is H. That's it. And after this, since we don't have any third character, it is just displaying P and H. So indexing is indexing. Now, for example, let us do the same thing, same example with the starting the index 1. So index 1 till the end, and then every second character. So what will happen is you can just cross check yourself. Since I given the indexing 1, it starts from the Y, right? Y and then H and then N. So the output is Y, H, and N. Right? Why? Because I just started with the index 1. So in the previous example, I started with the index 0. It is starting from the P. And in this example, I just started from index 1. It starts from Y. So, all right. So and you want to reverse the string. So there are multiple ways to reverse the string is there are a couple of ways. So and as of now guys, the easiest way you can just take it like this. So print name of colon colon. So if you give just like this, it is in the forward direction, right? And if you give the step value is -1, so it will navigate in the reverse order. So it is going to reverse the string. The most frequent question asked, mainly the freshers in the interviews, how do you reverse the string? So there are multiple ways, guys. I will show all the multiple ways when I explain the list. But as of now, even this is the easiest method I can say. Right, name of colon colon -1. So it is going to reverse the string in this direction. Right. I hope it is clear, guys, for you, like about the string slicing. So we discussed about couple of things: how to get the index from the string, how to display one particular character, and how to navigate in the forward direction, and how to use the step values. So right, and then how to reverse the string as well. All right, guys, and it is about the string slicing. Now let us take one more example about the string operators. String operators. The string operators, guys, like let us say that say I have first equal to Python and say second equal to programming. So you want to concatenate, you want to combine these two strings, you want to concatenate. So how do I write that? So I'm taking some other object equal to, so some other object finally equal to, so first place second. So what is a place? So place is used to concatenate, combine two strings. Let us check the output, guys. So print finally. So the output becomes Python programming. So if you want to have the space in between that, so just add with space. That's it. So first and then say, since you would like to have the space like this. So I need to add the place. Yes. So now the string becomes Python space programming. So plus is the operator used for the concatenation. Yes. Plus is the operator so used for the concatenation. Place is used for concatenation. So all right, guys. So and there is one more operator. So that is star. Star is used for the repetition. So for repeating the string. For example, if I write first star and 4, the string will be repeated for 4 times. Python has been repeated for 4 times. Or else even you can save this into some other string as well. Say output equal to, so first star 4. And even you can print the output. So it will repeat the string for, so 4 times since I've given 4. So all right, guys. So now in this session, we have seen a couple of things. So first we discussed about the string slicing and right in all the different ways. And next we discussed about the concatenation. So where the place is the operator. So place, guys, it's a common symbol. Either you can add to numbers or to strings. In the next, like we'll talk about the list where I'm going to use to combine the lists. But as of now here, guys, plus is used to concatenate, to combine two strings. In star, and we know that star is we multiply, right? So one star two kind of thing. And in Python, a star is even used for the it depends on the operands, it depends on the objects. Since my first object, it is this is nothing but the string, so it is going to repeat that for 4 times. So all right, guys, and it is about the string slicing in the string operators. And next, in the next session, so let us discuss about all the string methods. It will be interesting, guys. String methods, while building our logic, we are going to use that in almost all the cases. Sometimes we may need to split the string, which is really very common operation. We'll focus on all those things.